Do you hear that roar? That's a jaguar. Let's try to find it. Come on, let's jump in.
I heard a roar, then I looked real quick. A jaguar jumped so fast and slick, with golden eyes and spots all around. He zoomed through the jungle without a sound. Jaguar, sneaky and strong. Jaguar, running along. J is for jungle, J is for fun. Jumping and jiggling, we're on the run. From jaguar to jaybird, come along and see. The letter J is wild and free.
The jungle is jumping with joy today, with jiggly jellyfruit along the way. A jerboa dance with jittery feet, and shared jungle juice, banana sweet. Jerboa, tiny and quick. Jerbo does a jazzy trick. We keep driving our jeep through the jungle trail, bouncing and bumping, we follow the tail, looking for creatures that start with J. What will we find along the way? Jeep goes vroom, vroom, vroom. Jeep makes room, room, room. J is for jungle, J is for fun. Jumping and jiggling, we're on the run. From jaguar to jaybird, come along and see. The letter J is wild and free. A jaybird sang from a jungle tree, with feathers so blue it sang just for me. It jiggled and jumped from branch to branch, singing a jingle in a jungle dance. Jaybird singing out loud. Jaybird flying so proud. J is for jungle, J is for fun. Jumping and jiggling, we're on the run. From jaguar to jaybird, come along and see. The letter J is wild and free. Wow, what an awesome J adventure. Let's remember all the J words we saw. Jaguar, jerboa, jeep, jellyfruit, jaybird, jungle juice, jump, joy. Just one letter, so much to say. The letter J made our jungle day. So jump and jiggle, shout with glee. The letter J